We are covering the fundamental structure of an insurance policy for the property and casualty exam, with a special focus on the declarations page. Understanding where to find key information in a policy is a frequently tested concept. An insurance policy is a contract with 6 main parts: the declarations, the insuring agreement, conditions, exclusions, definitions, and endorsements. The declarations page is always the first part of the policy, and it provides the specific details related to the insured. Think of it as the who, what, when, where, and how much of the contract. For example, on a homeowner's policy, the declarations will list the named insureds, the location of the insured property, the policy period, and the dollar amounts for coverages like dwelling and personal property, as well as the deductible. The exam will test this by asking where you would find a specific piece of information. A common question is, an insured wants to confirm their liability coverage limit. In which section of the policy is this information found? The answer is the declarations page. A major exam trap is confusing the declarations with the insuring agreement. The declarations page lists the coverage limits and a summary of what is covered. But the insuring agreement contains the insurer's actual promise to pay for covered losses. The insuring agreement is the heart of the contract, outlining the perils covered. The conditions section sets the rules and obligations for both the insured and the insurer, such as the requirement to provide a prompt notice of a claim. The exclusions section details what is not covered, like flood or earthquake on a standard homeowner's policy. Definitions clarify terms used throughout the policy, and endorsements are separate documents that modify or change the original policy. A great way to remember the main parts of the policy is the mnemonic D.I.C.E, which stands for Declarations, Insuring Agreement, Conditions, and Exclusions. The exam expects you to know that the declarations page personalizes the policy for a specific insured, while the rest of the policy contains standardized language. The declarations page makes it unique to the policyholder. So if an exam question asks where to find the insured's name, the property address, the specific make and model of a covered vehicle, the policy number, or the premium amount, the answer will always be the declarations page. Be careful with questions about what is not on the deck page. For example, the specific causes of loss that are excluded are found in the exclusions section, not the declarations. For free practice questions, AI-powered explanations, and more exam prep tools, visit openexamprep.com. That's openexamprep, all one word, .com.